Ito guys, yung kitchen niya pala pero maliit siya pero maganda. Punong-puno. May bread toaster. Ah, what's that? Oh, coffee maker. That's coffee maker. And may ano na siya. Okay. May microwave na siya na maliit. Sa fridge. And that's the bread toaster. We got everything over here. Name it. May mga juice pa rito. Apple juice, pineapple juice, orange juice. We have milk. Eksakto yung milk na rito ni. They got milk over here. We got yogurt, cookies. Tapos may fruits kami dito. May fruits din. Binigay ng ano. May Ari. May aqua. Aqua Toscana. Regular. And this is the sparkling. Yeah, this is sparkling aqua. Yan. Maganda. Maganda itong natsambahan namin na nakuha. Very nice. Contento. Okay. There you go. Kulang lang dito yung red wine at saka alak. Ayan. Pero kung gusto mo magluto ng sinigang, may mga gamit dito. May plates. May mga utensils over here. May mga kaserola. Yan. Kompleto siya. Tsaka oh yeah. We have tabletop here. Okay, it's electric. There you go. Sa drawer. What drawer here? Oh, dishwasher yan. Dishwasher ito isa. Loaded siya, maganda. Kaya recommend ako sa inyo ito. It's only 5 to 6 minutes walk going to the central station. Napakalaki ang TV niya, napakagandang building. Bagong-bago. Sabi ng may-ari, kami daw ang naunang nag-stay. Yan. Very relaxing. Accessible to train station. Yan. Okay, kaya muna mga lodi kasi gusto kong maligo
Bro, you were so off.
Okay, tapos itong code nito sa main door is number na lang siya. Yan. You can hear it 3 times click. 1 2 3, count 7 seconds.
It's after the 3 clicks.
Okay? So this is what we get over here. Ang ganda. Yan. Ceiling pa lang siya, parang ano na. Ano na. And you lock it, let it lock itself. It's automatic. 2 3. There you go. Count of 3, that's it. Yan. Ang ganda na kuha namin. Parang palasyo.
No.
Yeah. Itong ano namin, bathroom, elegante. Yan. See? Yan, shower room. Bagong-bago siya. There you go. Andyan yung ano, toilet siya. Toilet and bowl. Hugas ng pwet at saka yung toilet niya. Ang laki ng salamin. Ito. Itong gusto na ng asawa ko. Malaki ang salamin. Yan. Ito yung pinaka main na kwarto niya. Yan. Malupit yan. There you go. So, at saka guys, 3 minutes walk, 3 to 5 minutes lang walking sa Central Station. Kaya napakadali dito. Very accessible sa lahat ng pupuntahan. Okay? Ito yung kasama ko na travel buddy. Say hi. Say hi to your friends. Okay. Alright guys, thank you.
Funny, funny, funny.
Ito pala nakuha namin guys na hotel dito. Hindi hotel, like Airbnb. It's apartamente. Yan, puro remote control na siya. Oh.
Do you have to call every single time?
No, kailangan i-bus mo, ay press mo yon, then call, then wait for for her to open. Kasi yung to, kailangan pang tawagan yung operator kasi a-unlock niya yung lock dito. I think, can you try the key?
Oh, where's the key?